Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki language YouTube channel and you're most welcome to the first step of learning English language. In this video you will learn the English language alphabets, pronunciations, capital and small letters, and as well as the vowel and consonant letters. As you know that 1, 2, 3 or numbers are the alphabet of mathematics. You cannot learn mathematics until you learn the basic numbers. That's why learning the alphabet of any language is very important for learning the language. So this video is your guide to English language alphabet and letters. If you are new here, so please subscribe Wiki Language YouTube channel and press on the bell icon to get notification of our future lessons and never miss any of them. Subscribing is free and most importantly, you will learn any language as simple and fast as possible. The first step to learn English is to learn the letters and pronunciation of the English alphabet, because the core knowledge you will use when reading, speaking, listening and writing a language comes from the alphabet. Therefore, learning English is through learning the spelling and pronunciation of English letters. Firstly, there are 26 letters in English alphabet which are adapted from the Latin alphabet. Now let's pronounce the 26 English alphabets. Let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So in fact, there are uppercase letters and lowercase letters in English language. The uppercase letters are written in capital letters and the lowercase letters are written in small letters. So in our next pronunciation, capital letters will appear in black color and small letters will appear in red color. So now let's pronounce the English alphabet again and please repeat after me for quick learning. 1, 2, 3 and go. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So this was pronunciation of English alphabet from A to Z. In English language, there are two different types of letters which are called as vowels and consonants. 21 of them are consonants and 5 are vowels. So these 5 special letters or vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Please repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. So except these 5 vowel letters, the rest 21 letters are called consonants. The consonant letters in English are, let's pronounce them, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this was the pronunciation of consonant letters of English language. So finally, by learning the English alphabets, you took the first step towards learning the English language. And make sure that you have subscribed the Wiki language channel because you will learn different languages as simple and fast as possible with animations. And it's free of cost. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.